Hello, everyone. Deb here. Welcome or welcome back. I appreciate you taking some time out of your day to be here with me. I am here for hashtag Deck the Year. This is hosted by Penny's Crafty Creations. She's been doing this collaboration for several years, and I participated off and on for the last two, I think. Anyway, I decided this time, and this is for week 4, January 22nd, 2026. I have a whole bunch of these old yellowed 3 by 5 index cards. I think that's what the size is. Let me just double check. Yes, 3 by 5 index cards. So I made one of these, just one for this week, and I actually already made next week's, but that'll be for a different video. So I had a bunch of stuff laying around, and I had some envelopes. This was from my daughter. I used the flap off of it, and I will keep this and use it for other things. I also had an envelope from St. Jude's Research Hospital that had artwork on it, and I cut all the artworks out, and I did give credit because they gave the name of the artist who was a patient at the hospital. So you'll see that in a minute. I used some of the Distress Oxide in Lumberjack Plaid. One little red bow offray. I used to get these at Walmart, but I think you can get them other places maybe too. I don't know. Anyway, one thing of the fabric washi, I found another one, and this one was from Dollar Tree. So, yeah, the other ones, the blue ones I was using, they were Recollections, but this was a Dollar Tree one. And this says 3M Scotch. Not sure about this one, where it came from. I have a whole bunch of these tickets, which I found in with my Strawberry Bliss book stuff. I have a whole bunch of them. So I pulled some of them out. I had a scrap that had it was a little cut apart strip. It had two froms and two other ones. I used the two other ones, and I don't know what happened to the other two from, but that's okay. Um, and I used one of these, which I got at Paper Studio last year, I believe, on clearance. Just one gnome and a couple little hearts. And one sentiment out of here, which you'll see. Those were Tim Holtz, I'm pretty sure. And one of these that said love, like that. Okay. And so here it is. So I put the envelope flap on actually on the line side so you can tell it's an index card. Oh, and this was in my stash. This little envelope already made, this was not in it. This is one of these, and this was one of these. And I put that on one of the tickets, which I inked in the lumberjack plaid. These here were all together on an envelope. These were another part of the envelope, and I'll show you more on the back. There's the fabric ribbon. There's a piece of washi under here going over to here. Another piece of washi here. The little love thing out of these. I'm going to really like these, I think, because they have some nice sayings. And the little gnome with some pink flowers. And it has some brown in it. And this had some brown in it. So I did bring in a brown heart, a red heart, and a couple pink hearts out of that gnome pack. The little bow, and this is the Tim Holtz saying, "You are loved." And on the back, I did put the fabric washi across here, another little piece of the envelope because I had a strip like across here. So I just cut it down and flagged it. And then this was another part of the envelope, and the art was by St. Jude patient Leah, all the hearts on the envelope. So I used those. And I do have that little paper pad, which I could use, but I'll save that for future projects. Anyway, so that's what I did for January 22nd, 2026, week 4 of hashtag Deck the Year. I hope you like it. And yeah, I had fun. Next week will not be hearts. Oh, I'm also counting this for hashtag hearts all year. Next week will not be hearts, though. I already have that one done, just so you know. Um, and I haven't gotten anything else done this week other than these two cards because it hasn't been a great week. And also, lastly, much of the US is up for some kind of major storm, either ice or snow or mixture or whatever. Uh, Probably Friday through early Monday, late Sunday, early Monday. I don't even want to say what they're saying our snow levels will be because every forecast is different, but I've been panicking since Tuesday with the amount of snow that's been shown on our forecast. And then it went down and then it came back up and then it came back up even higher. I'm done with winter. Sorry. Anyway, just be safe out there. Be prepared. Don't drive if you don't have to. Actually, they probably will close roads around here if we get as much as we're saying for a while. Anyway. Okay. All right, guys, that's all. Be safe. Have a great week, rest of it, great weekend, and I'll talk to you again probably next Sunday, and then next week. Okay? Take care. Hugs, love, and peace.